An impression coping of an implant. This is the white housing that was supposed to have been captured in the impression, but it came out. So what we're going to do, we have our implant impression coping and our implant analog. Oof, if I could hold those together, I'd be fine, huh? We put them together so the hex fits inside. Screw it down into place until it's tight. Then you're going to take this, fit it into place. Did you hear that click into place?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Now, next, we're going to seat this into place.
Now that's so the maximum amount of
The hope is,
impression or whatever can get into it.
hope is that I've got it lined up just right, the way it was supposed to be lined up. I'm looking down inside there and I'm seeing kind of a groove right along there. Can you see that down inside there? Let me turn my light on. I don't have my light on. Okay, so there's a groove right down there. So we want this to fit right around that groove.
I'm glad you're doing it, Debbie. Mine just died on me.
Okay, and so that's good. Now we'll pour it up. Actually, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a mask around this, a gingival mask. So I'll show you that in the next video.